Hey, this is Matt at Coastal Compass. We are your Sandals Resorts and Beaches Resorts experts. And today I'm standing at Sandals South Coast outside of the Starlight building. We're going to be showing you the Starlight Beachfront Club Level Junior Suite with balcony Tranquility Soaking Tub. And then we're going to show you around the building to see what it's like to stay in this part of the resort. Now, if you like what you see and you want to book yourself, I do want to ask that you use our affiliate link in the show notes. That really helps us out when you do that. If you have questions before you book and you want help, we're glad to do that. Go to our website in the show notes, click Contact Us, and we'll reach out. All right, let's get inside and see this place. So coming in, you're going to see first off that it's roughly about the same size as some of the luxury rooms that we've looked at some other videos. It's pretty spacious though. We had more space than we actually needed for both of us and our suitcases and everything. You'll see that the liquor cabinet up on the far left actually has a lot more to choose from than some of the luxury rooms. You have several different liquors, tequila, rum, and a few other things to choose from on top of your standard wine and beer. One thing we really liked about the closet, it came with hangers, and the safe was a selling point for me because we've been in other rooms where the safe wasn't as big, like on cruises and stuff. This one, the safe actually held both of our laptops, purse, wallet, everything. The bathroom's going to be a little bit more updated than some of the luxury rooms we saw in the Silver Sun Village. And my favorite part was the shower. Instead of a shower tub combination like a luxury room that we looked at on another video, you have a stand-up shower here. And of course the balcony has a great view. It's got that Tranquility Soaking Tub. It's bigger for the club level rooms. Now let's look at the building and everything around it. I'm standing now outside the Starlight building. It used to be called the Dutch Village. So again, we're going to use those words interchangeably here. You still see some of the Dutch Village branding across the resort and on some maps. The Dutch Village is where we stayed on our spring break trip for 2025, and we absolutely loved it. So it's going to be kind of the middle tier between the three main room buildings. On the front, you actually have sweeping views of the mountains. I thought where the doors face the resort, this was the best view of all of the buildings, of the mountains and the rest of the resort. On the other side, you're going to have a beautiful view of the beach. The rooms here are going to be anything from luxury to butler, and on the bottom, you're going to have some really great swim-up rooms. It's going to be a larger pool. It's not a swim-up bar, but they do have a bar near the pool, and you have some chairs that you can pull into the water. It's a really great place to relax. And then across the sidewalk from the pool, you're going to have the Dutch beach. All right, if you like what you saw and you want to book yourself, please use our affiliate link. Again, that really helps us out. It's in the show notes. You can also find our website in the show notes. If you have questions before you book and need help, we're glad to make that happen. Just go to our website and click Contact Us. If you want to see a tour of the full resort, go to our Sandals South Coast full tour video. Have a good day.